What's going on, y'all? It's your boy RK. Shout out to our sponsors, never forget. We're gonna show you how to make a nice fire tequila and cognac mix today. So let's get right to it. We're not gonna waste any time, so get yourself a nice cup. We're gonna do this with these nips. That way you kind of do it on the run. You could take your drink with you for a nice long walk on the beach, a long walk on the park, so on and so forth. So we're gonna start by icing them down. We're gonna put some ice in this cup. Let's go with some ice. Now you're gonna fill it up to the top, make it nice and icy. Ice it down. Next we're gonna get our nip of tequila. I'm using Don Julio Añejo. A lot of people like to use Reposado. I would have used that too, but they ran out at the store, so the Añejo would do. See, we're gonna fill that up all the way. Boom. Then you want to get yourself your Grand Marnier. Grand Marnier is here. Pour that up. Pour the whole bottle. Boom. Next, with these drinks, you know, you wanna watch your calories and everything like that, so you don't want to make your drink too sweet. So we're gonna use vitamin water. We got our sweetness from the Grand Marnier ready, so that's good. We're gonna cap it off with that. Boom. Finally, we got our last ingredient. We got our Sprite. Oh shoot, that was some strong Sprite. It's like the one that you get out the McDonald's drink fountain. You put a little splash of Sprite. Boom. Let's mix it up. You can stir it with a straw as well. Oh, fire! I'm telling you, you got your nice tequila and cognac mix. Shout out to our sponsors, never forget. Signing out.